Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you would like to donate to the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description. All donators will get a shout out on the start of new videos. It takes a lot of time to bring you this content, so let's dive in. Method for replacing the battery of the wristband key. Use tweezers, scissors, or other sharp objects to pry open the battery cover. Remove the battery, install the battery, and close the battery cover. If there is a problem with poor battery contact in the wristband, here is the solution. Pry the positive and negative battery tabs in the direction indicated by the arrow in the picture with tweezers, scissors, or other sharp objects. Pry the positive tab to the white area. Then, use tweezers, scissors, or other sharp objects to pry the positive and negative battery tabs before reinstalling the battery.